Hi guys, welcome to the last lesson of the year. Today is Tuesday, June 23rd, and we are going to learn new vocabulary. The previous week we saw the earth spheres, and now we are going to see the earth sciences. All of these sciences have to do with the earth, the planet, okay? And they are similar in their beginnings as the other ones that we saw because they are similar in their meaning and their prefixes have the same meaning. For example, hydro, remember we saw the hydrosphere, and we are going to learn today the science of hydrology. Okay, hydro means water, so it's the same here. We have here another prefix, which is geo, and that has to do with soil or earth. So geography must be the study of the land, okay? We are going to begin with the meaning of these words. First, I'm going to read them for you to model the pronunciation, and then I will show you some pictures and tell you the meaning of the words, okay? These are the 8 words that are from this lesson. The first word is astronomy. It has to do with stars, right? Astronomy. The second word is climatology. Okay, this has to do, what do you think if the beginning is climatal? It has to do with climate, weather, okay? Geology. Geology. It has to do with land or soil. Hydrology. Hydrology. Meteorology. It has to do with meteors, planets, and stars, okay? Meteorology. The other word is oceanography. Oceanography. Oceanography has to do with the oceans, okay? Paleontology. Paleontology. What do you think this science is about? This has to do with fossils, okay? It's a really cool science. And the last one is physical geography. Physical geography. Remember that the PH sounds, okay? Don't P, not like a P. The PH is physical, okay? Oceanography, okay? Like photograph, okay? That is the same sound. Let's begin with the meaning of the first word. We have here a picture of what does astronomy studies, okay? Here we have stars. Here we have the sun, maybe, or the moon. And astronomy is a natural science that studies celestial objects, as you can see here. In order to explain their origin and evolution, how did the planet, all of the planets from the Milky Way began, okay? That kind of stuff. This is astronomy. Then we have the next one that has to do with weather, climatology. This is the study of climate and how it changes over time. This science helps us to know the conditions of the weather, okay? Remember the weather, when it's hot, when it's cold, okay? Then we have geology. Geology is an earth science that has to do with solid earth, the rocks of which it is composed, and the processes by which they change over time. These rocks have changed over thousands of years, okay? And all of that is the study of geology. Then we have hydrology. Hydrology, as you can see, studies a lot of phenomena like the cycle of water, okay? You have seen the cycle of water when all the water evaporates and go to the sky, and then it gets condensated, and then it rains. Those are topics of this science, hydrology, which is the study of the movement, distribution, and management of water on Earth. This science studies water cycle and water resources. Okay? This is hydrology. And then we have another cool earth science. This is meteorology. This is a scientific study of the atmosphere that focuses on weather processes and forecasting. Forecasting is like predict how's the weather gonna be, okay? Or for example, they can predict hurricanes when they are like forming. They can predict tornadoes and all of those topics that have to do with the weather. Okay, this is meteorology. Okay, then we have this one is another cool science is oceanography. This is also known as oceanology, which is the study of the physical and biological aspects of the ocean. As you can see here we have a diver. He's diving under the ocean and he is like studying the species of the ocean, all of that kind of stuff. Okay, then we have a really cool science. This is paleontology. Paleontology is a scientific study of life of geological past. Geologic past that involves the analysis of plant and animals fossils. As you can see, this is a really cool fossil of a dinosaur, okay? And this is what paleontology studies. And the last word, but not less important, is the physical geography. The difference between physical geography, for example, and human geography is that the physical geography studies like all of the earth, the lakes, the rivers, all of that. But human geography studies what do human beings have done to earth, how they are distributed around the globe, what are the main characteristics of different people around the world, okay? And physical geography is this. As you can see, we have here a map, and this is a science that studies processes and patterns in the natural environment. This science studies the four spheres that we saw the previous class, okay? The atmosphere, the hydrosphere, the biosphere, and geosphere, okay? This is what geography studies, okay? Excellent. These are all of the vocabulary words of the earth science. I hope that you understood them. And we will see you later for further lessons. But this is the last video, so you have done it, okay? We are done with all of the topics of these language lessons. And we will see you later, but in live sessions, okay? See you later, sweeties. Have a wonderful week. And hope that you take care of yourself and stay and be safe at home, okay? Love you. Bye-bye.